Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a reading for the period of October 2024 for the zodiac sign Taurus. Please remember this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates, let me know in the comments down below. If not, skip this one. If you feel any of your loved ones could benefit from these readings and guidance, kindly share the channel with them as well. It would actually help me also to grow. So, thank you so much if you do so. And if you wish to stay connected with me on Instagram, the link is down in the description below. You can follow me there as well. So thank you so much and let's begin. Okay, Taurus. So, one clear message that I would say over here is something that you need to, release your attachment towards. So, there could be something that, you are attached too much, something or someone that you're way too attached to, which is actually hindering your growth, which even it's not really serving for within your purpose, like the kind of growth you want to see. There are a lot of new things also coming your way, everything is happening, but somewhere that attachment is actually not letting you move forward and grow as much as you would want to. So yes, if you work on that and if you release, and the releasing of that particular attachment is entirely into your hand. Of course it may need a little bit of effort and certain steps that you may have to take, but eventually if you manage to do that, you will be victorious in many ways. So it's not just that you will see growth and all of it, but emotionally also you will feel a lot more free. You will feel at peace as well. So that is going to be a lot of good things. And actually it's just the emotional attachment that is there. It's not something that is actually like serving any of your purpose other than that, and which is also not really great. It could be a toxic thing actually for you. So it could be maybe a materialistic thing that is doing it, so, or it could be a person. Of course you will have to find it, but it definitely is attached to your emotions somewhere down the line. And if that you manage to get through, an entire new phase begins and you will see a very beautiful time coming ahead. But yes, effort is needed. Work wise, there could be some interesting things that could happen for you, especially when it comes to your resources or your finances. That could happen. Some of you could also even get into some sort of a negotiation with your client or maybe your boss, which is unlikely. Maybe it's not like that time of the year where you all will actually have these negotiations happening in your office or something, but it will happen, because of some work related stuff, which will be great, because again it may it the chances of it are to fall into your favor, and that will be great, right? That will actually move you into a whole transformative place work wise also. Like, while things may have felt very stagnant, but remember that in the background there is a lot of things that are happening for you. So while you may be feeling a little bored also about certain things, that you may be feeling nothing is happening and it's just the same going on for like months to no end, maybe it's not like so. It's definitely a lot of thing is happening in the background and a lot of good stuff is coming. One good thing over here is happening is even that you are also getting creative when it comes to your handling situations at your work. So you are also kind of, while you're protecting yourself and being firm, being assertive with a lot of things at your work, you are even becoming someone who's getting creative. Like, you may ignore certain things, or some things you may just take it in the whole garb of humor, or something, like you just get creative with everything. So it will be more like, you've kind of protected yourself with a different kind of an approach, which may even surprise others, because while you may be reacting in a certain way for really long when they would be doing certain things, you are reacting completely different. So that is going to be like an interesting thing for others also to see, but you will be more over happy with yourself, and that's the best, right? Especially when it comes to your work. If you're happy with the kind of work you're doing and the way you're handling situations at work, nothing like it, right? So yes, you are going to be decisive also at the same time. So if it's like, if anything, there is anything where you need to take decisions, you're going to be firm, you're going to hold your ground, and be confident and take your decisions. You're not going to be like, confused or anything like that. And the best part is that your best bet is going to be the way you communicate. You are going to communicate beautifully. That is something that is going to actually impress a lot of people. Wow. Finance seems to be really getting stronger than the usual time. So what I definitely see over here is something that's going to give you out of nowhere an opportunity to either increase your financial strength, or it will be something that some idea, or you will get back some of your money that maybe have been stuck for really long, and you probably may have given up on, like, given up on hopes that it will ever come back, and most likely it may just come out of nowhere. The very good part in terms of finances that is happening, I see, is you are actually finally coming to a place where what you wanted is, you're finally getting it. Like, you're creating the balance. You are able to do everything that you wanted to do with the kind of finance that you are building in the month of October. It's like a victory. It's growth. You see yourself much more stronger. You're like not that king or that queen now, that okay, finally I have reached there. There is some level of peace also within yourself, that financially I am there where I wanted to, like where you may have set that mark for yourself. You're reaching there, or you've already reached there. So which is really good. There seems to be stability coming in, so that is one thing that is very, very good in this term. So balance and stability is like the two things which I can say for finance in the month of October. Okay, so people with who are committed, Taurus, whoever, like you guys into the you've decided to commit and get onto the like you've decided that you want to spend the rest of your life with this person. Like especially people who are dating, or are always being like looking for the person, and you finally come across someone whom so I'm not talking here is about singles. You may be meeting people or you may be meeting some person for really long and understanding, and you may come to clarity, is what I would say. Here, no singles I'm going to talk about first, so that's going to be later. So you have come to conclusion about that. You are definitely, only thing that you are definitely looking at right now is that financially, you want to reach at a certain place before you go ahead. Hence you may be contemplating whether you should you should make the forward move right now, or yet wait some more time. That's the only thing, like, because you have that thing that financially I want to be at this place. Or it could be your partner that would say that no, financially I want to reach at this place, then only move forward. And hence you may be thinking that what should I do, should I wait, or should I take things forward right now itself. So that is the situation for people who are into the confusion. People who are singles over here, singles are definitely as such happy where they are, and they are really focused on their finances ideally, and working, and working in passion. Okay, so you all are working, but you all are working out of passion. So that's a very good thing. And you may be kind of right now in a confused state also, but that when it comes to your love and relationships, whether what is the thing you want to do, if you want to right now get into the whole dating game or not. And there could be some singles who could be confused between two people. So if you're confused between two people, look within yourself, see that what is going to best align with yourself. Like, are you both going are aligned with each other and moving forward in the same direction. See, paths could be different, but at the end the goal at least needs to be same. Because if it's not the same, and if you all are not with the same kind of thought process, it's going to be always a war between the two of you. So that's one of the best things to do. But look within, your answers lie within yourself. So instead of going and talking to other people, I would say that look forward and look within into yourself. You know what you're supposed to do, and how to handle every situation when it comes to your relationships. So before I continue, I would just say that hang in, stay till the end, because there is something that is interesting that I've added, in the reading towards the end. And I would say let me know also that if you really enjoyed that bit or not. So yes, stick to the end. Anyways, coming back to this, definitely some socializing also happening. Some of you could also be there in the period of reminiscing over certain opportunities that you may have lost. But while that is happening, there are new opportunities coming your way to move forward with better things. So look forward to that. There are good things that are coming your way. The only condition is that stop reminiscing, and look around for the things that are coming. What's gone is already gone. Socialize, of course. While you may be socializing, you may come across some really interesting people who could be helpful to you, even work wise. Nothing will come of this situation. So yes, if you're going to keep reminiscing, nothing is going to come out of the situation. Might as well focus on yourself. Attachments is something that I already spoke about. So that kind of an attachment also will not get you to anything. Like, nothing will come out of those situation also, and it's just that you will be blocking your progress. So yeah, that is what I would again remind you here. Balance. I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world, and I do so without judgment. So yes, create a good balance in things. Again, the same thing, attachments and all of that is not going to help you. Rest of the things, yes, balances. Otherwise, in every other direction, it is coming into your life. It's just that certain attachments that you need to be now getting sorted with. No limitations. You are a celestial being with unlimited potential. There is much for you to share. So, again, don't limit yourself. Uh, move beyond what you've experienced so far, and rather look forward to better things. Set your goals a little more high than they are, because you are capable of achieving a lot more than what you think. Breakthrough. For a star to be born, it must first collapse. This is not your destruction, this is your birth. So, yes, while you may be going through certain things again, this you may have a breakthrough also. But again, having said that, as I said, certain things may be difficult for you right now. But if you manage to get through it, it will be something amazing that you will come up with. Let's see what are the affirmations for you. I am ambitious. You are ambitious. Keep reminding yourself, because that's what you are actually. And you're just wasting your time on wrong people, or wrong reminiscing over lost opportunities, or wrong attachments, or not so good attachments, which is not for you actually. That may be in favor for the other person, but not for you. I'm deserving of all the good things that come my way. Beautiful affirmations for you to keep reminding yourself what you should be really focusing on for yourself. I am here right now. This moment I am living is all that exists. I will spend today living in the present and building my future. That is what you should look forward to, your future. Amazing. Again, the same thing is what I'll repeat once over here is, trust me, everything's coming your way. It's like everything's going to get served on the platter, for you. The only thing that you need to do right now is work on your heart chakra, use your wisdom, create balance for yourself, and think for yourself for once. And rather choose growth over attachments. The moment you release those certain attachment outcomes, or attachment to outcomes, attachment to certain people who are not serving you anymore, just see how well you will be, like, you'll be really glowing and growing through everything. With brave heart, anything is possible, Atticus. So this is definitely thing which I would say you will have to be a little brave, and yeah, everything is possible then. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. I don't want to repeat the same thing what I've repeated already. I am worthy of respect and success. So I guess it says it all again. Be brave, and anything is possible for you. Let go of what is not serving you. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. And you got to be brave to do what is right for you, which is aligning with what you really want in your life, and what is aligning with your life purpose. So I hope you get the message loud and clear. I hope this helps you. And let me know in the comments down below if you did resonate or not. Did you like the thing that I've added in the end? That, did you like the whole concept or not? It's just a little more detailed, but still, it would be great if you let me know if you liked it or not. And yeah, thank you so much, and see you in the next reading. Bye bye.